time, but school's just been a pain in the ass. We're gonna be installing this STIV lip in the side of this box, and we got other goodies to install too. Okay, here's the lip, guys. Show the camera, show the camera. STIV lip, Icon Motorsports, Amazon. Got this in 2 days, and we're gonna bolt it onto my Euro R lip. Takes a little modification, but it'll get on there. Bro, dude, my car's about to be low as shit, dude.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro.
I might break it, dude.
Good thing it was only 40 bucks.
Yeah.
Because you have to buy a lot more.
Alright, step one to make this fit. Take this bracket off right here with the Dremel.
That's definitely making you still fun. You know, you figure out where you want the center.
Yeah, from over here it fits good, dude.
Like the center of it?
Yeah, it's centered right now. By the way, guys, you will have to trim off this piece, and it should be able to fit without any gapping right here, because that's the only thing it's hitting. Thank you again, Sebi, my boy.
Hell yeah.
Have a bunch of bolts on. Yes, this is very OP, but it is necessary because this is literally one finger off the ground. It's not really noticeable. Yeah, no gaps at all. This is kind of weird, but I think it adds a little cool diffuser look. I'm messing with it, I'm messing with it. Fitment is A1. We'll see if I can drive off the driveway without breaking it. The reason why we're drilling new self-tappers for my lip is because we didn't drill my splitter into my bumper, so it's not all in one piece. So we got to, I think it'll sit a little bit higher, I believe, or lower, I'm not sure, but yeah, that's the plan right now, just drilling in new holes. But it still fits the same like it did before, and I'm really, really happy about this lip. This is how you guys make your car look low for cheap. Throw on splitters and stuff. This is gonna be on there really good. I bet it's really bulletproof. But guys, I promise you that I will get off this driveway with the lip on. I don't care if I break it. It's content.
You exhaust, bro? You Gucci. It didn't scrape that bad, actually.
Really?
I thought it was gonna scrape a lot more.
Guys, check this out real quick. So we're gonna do a little low test right now. Barely anything. Cannot fit my foot underneath there anymore. Probably can't even go up any driveways anymore. So I gotta be careful while driving this thing. It is polyurethane, but I do know polyurethane does break. Hence the cracks in my lip when I painted it. I need to get some like side splitters, something more. This is pretty sick.
Some canards, bro, right here.
Hell yeah, hell yeah. Damn. Stance boy. Replacing this engine cover with this one right here. I wish I can, I think there's a way to swap out the plaques. I'm not sure, but yeah, we're just gonna do something simple. This is a really easy mod to do. It's really hot in here, guys. I didn't give my car time to cool down. Ooh, that's hot, that's hot. Ouch, 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 ouch. Throw my bolt right here. Off with that, yeah. Ooh, touch the manifold. Ooh, that looks really nice. It's really dirty in here though. My engine's really dirty. That's what happens when you're not running any fender liner or under tray. But it'd be like that sometimes. Found a parking spot. We're eating at Pluckers today. Early birthday celebration for me. Got my boy Alfonso, Keith. I'm not sure where Rex is, but good luck to him finding a parking spot.
Yeah, they're just kidding now.
Yeah, they make the little Pro Charge looking thing.
Well, if you want it now,
centrifuge.
That sounds scary, bro. Hey, what happened to your A-Spec lid, bro?
It's all for paint.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, it's gonna look hella good when it's all paint matched together. You gonna throw a lip on it?
I might.
Do easy lip. That's different.
You.
Villain,
So
you
can
already
get
know
home.
me.
They don't know you, bro.
Generation Y.
Go.
Take 532.
All right, guys. Well, this is the Generation Y TS. Follow me on my YouTube channel, Generation Y.
Generation Y.
This used to be an automatic TSX, 5-speed TSX. I did the whole work and changing the transmission to a 6-speed.
Wait. Where can they find your channel at, bro?
Go to YouTube, Generation Y. Just,
Right here?
Just
Right here, right?
Generation.
Right
Yeah,
there?
if you put the
Okay.
link somewhere
Okay, bro.
right here, or right here, bro. Or right here,
What's that
or
Skunk 2?
or right
What's
here.
that Skunk 2 discount code?
Sponsored by Skunk 2, bro.
What's that discount
You
code?
can use Keith Rod with double D's.
Ah.
Keith Rod with double D, 15 for a 15% off discount on any Skunk 2 merchandise.
Okay, what are we looking at right now, bro?
All right, right now you're looking at a K24 with the RBC manifold from.
Bro, isn't that hot? How'd you touch it?
Like this.
Okay.
Quick, boy, quick,
Hey.
boy.
Leave it there for more than 1 second.
1, 2.
Ooh.
There.
Te quema.
What'd you get, bro? What'd you get?
I got some fucking dumbass shit, bro.
I got me the boring burger. What you got, Bond?
The blow up.
What'd you get? What'd you get?
I got 15 wing. That might be 10. 10 garlic parmesan.
Right, you got
Bacon cheese fries. Eating good, baby. Eating good.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I almost destroyed my lip. It's about to die, but it's okay. Woo, look at all these TSXs here, guys. Never seen this before. This many TSXs is rare. If you guys enjoyed the lip install today and the manifold cover, shout out to my boy Villain for that. With that in mind, we're gonna end the video off here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Hey!